Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel Henri, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to my InVision Studio Fundamentals course. In this course, we're going to go through how to test for UX best practices, while exploring how to work with Invision boards and create your vision for your prototype. Then we'll create a prototype inside of InVision Studio while exploring this tool such as how to add interactions and animations. And finally, we'll look into what are the resources and tools to share and review your prototype with your stakeholders. In this course, you should leave with a good understanding of how to import assets into an Invision board for initial brainstorming, how to create a prototype leveraging InVision Studio, and how to review the prototype using collaboration tools. You don't need any prior knowledge before jumping in, as this is an introduction to InVision Studio and prototyping. The only requirement is that you have a Windows or a Mac machine to use these tools. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn all about InVision Studio in this fundamentals course at Pluralsight.